Onward Headhunting is the source for elite M&A, operations, and finance executive talent exclusively for private equity funds and their high-growth portfolio companies. When top-tier leadership seems impossible to find, Onward delivers with speed and accuracy. This is retained search built to shape the future of your most important assets. Learn more on LinkedIn or visit onwardheadhunting.com to start the conversation. And let's move your most critical executive searches onward.
This is Scott Becker with the Becker Business Podcast, the Becker Private Equity Podcast. We try and cover startups, private equity, technology, and a lot more here. We hope you enjoy it, and thank you for listening. Today's discussion is Tesla, Apple, Oracle, and the NASDAQ. So here's what's going on with these four things. First, Tesla is showing tremendous resilience. There's probably nobody that has more lives than Elon Musk, other than maybe Donald Trump. Tesla's back to above to in the black year to date. It's gained 70% in the last 6 months after having an absolutely horrible start of the year. It's probably good for Elon to get out of politics so heavily and out of the Trump administration and maybe more focused on Tesla, but amazing what's going on there. Part of this, of course, is fueled by a stock buyback by Elon, but it's also being fueled by improvements in robotics, robo-taxis, and a lot more. Fascinating to watch. Second is Apple. Apple has spent the year in the doldrums in terms of the Magnificent Seven. It's now only about 4% underwater for the year, and I think there's probably more excitement around this iPhone 17 than we've seen in a long time. Third is one of the biggest stories of the last couple months is Oracle. Oracle has sort of come from nowhere to be incredibly successful. It's up about 90% year to date. I shouldn't say it's come from nowhere, but it's never typically listed in the top technology stocks, the most watched stocks, and they are having a breakout year again. Larry Ellison, the 80-year-old CEO who's been through 4 or 5 wives, that's not a knock on him. God bless him. Is just knocking it out of the park again, and really incredible to see. And finally, fourth, in terms of things that are on tier, the NASDAQ is now up for the 10th or 11th day in a row. We've not seen that in a long time. For those of us that are long-term investors, that generally means at some point we'll see things go the other way as well. But for the time being, people are sure enjoying this run in the market, and just great to see. Thank you for listening to the Becker Business Podcast, the Becker Private Equity Podcast, and thank you to the great long-term producer who's with us today, Grace Lynn Keller. Thank you for joining us today. Thank you very much.